Good morning from Kensington, Maryland. The Jeeps have taken over the neighborhood, or at least the driveway. It's been parked here for about 3 days. My hand is on the, I guess the exhaust manifold may be on the other side, but the engine is cold to the touch. It's already in neutral, so I just have to depress the clutch. As you can see, the engine temperature is cold. I have the brake on. Idles perfectly. The engine is like new. The way it feels and drives, and also the modern coil pack gives you better gas mileage out of inline six, and also the Banks intake gives you more power and gas mileage. New suspension, new tires, new wheels. And it's a very nice exhaust tone with the Banks exhaust system, cat's back. It's a bigger diameter than the factory. So bid with confidence. Like I said, out of all the Jeeps that I've sold and driven, that extra horsepower makes a big difference. Has a very nice feel. The tires are oversized, but not so much so that it takes away from the fun of driving it. It does have the Dana 44 rear axle, so if you wanted to take it off-road, you can. The top is like in new condition. And I'm going to rev up the engine a little bit so you could get a feel for the exhaust note. So bid with confidence. This is a great driving, sorted Wrangler with very little miles. Keep in mind it's only been driven like 3,900 miles a year.